All right. Can you say hello?
Are you filming already?
I'm filming already.
I hear something in my eye. Well, that really helped.
I'm glad I could help, honey.
Come here, let me help you. I'm going to spit in your eye. I cleared it out. Thank you.
Still got that hair there?
No, it's all gone now.
Okay then. So it's all good then.
Yeah.
Good
Good afternoon, the world.
Good afternoon, the world. We're so glad you're here with us.
Yep.
Tell them why we're here, honey.
Because my wife told me I had to be here. Why are we here?
Why are we here? Because we got mail. Look at this. I thought this was so cute.
What?
Just a box standing in front of a door waiting to be opened. It's from our favorite friends, the Vineyard Chicks.
Okay.
Do you want to read the card? I bet you it's my jam. I won jam.
I don't know how to read.
You don't know how to read?
No.
He's lying.
Not unless it's pictures.
It is a picture.
Oh, it's flowers.
It says, the Lord bless you and keep you. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my goodness. It's a book.
Lorrie, Dave, and Mima.
Where's Nima?
Right here. Lorrie, Dave, and Mima.
Is she supposed to be in here, too?
And then it says, we hope this mail finds you all in good health and spirit. I apologize for the delay. Life gets in the way, and I have been totally forgetful. I know how that goes. Oh, it's not my jam. It's some goodies and T-shirts for Dave and Mima. Our family, wanted to share with y'all. I also included a packet of pelleted onions. Oh, yay! For Lorrie to try in the garden. I'm so excited.
What is that?
Thank you for being so kind, awesome, and supportive friends. We appreciate you all, but we value your friendship most of all. God bless. That is very sweet. And look at how pretty it is. Very pretty. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, here you can. Do you have a knife? You have a knife, honey? Oh my goodness. I got jam. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, they're grape jams. There's like grape strawberry. Oh, oh, pelleted yellow onions.
What is that?
That means they're in pellets, so where there's usually multiple seeds per pellet, so you can actually see where you're planting them, because onion seeds are really small and black. Look! Oh, cherry grape. Oh my goodness, cherry grape. Oh, I can't wait. That looks like it would make a lovely syrup. Oh, maybe we need to have waffles for dinner. Oh, and look at this. These are from the Philippines. Cookies from the Philippines. Should we try them right now? Let's try them right now.
What? I helping.
He's helping. Dave is helping. Oh, look, they got little packets. Okay, how do I open it?
How do I open it?
I can't open it.
You kidding me?
Let me just reach through my wall here. Gotta love a green screen. Oh my goodness. Okay, here, try one. I bet you could dip them in the jelly. They're like little sugar cookies.
Huh. What are they made of?
I don't know. It's in another language. Oh. flour, sugar, egg, oil, margarine, baking powder, baking soda, calcium, and artificial color. But I bet you could dip them in these jams and they would be delish. Delish already. But yay! And here's something else from the Philippines. This is some kind of dried mango rind. So let's try this. You ready? Here.
Go ahead.
Here, you try it.
Go ahead.
It's like a jelly bean. Here. You try. Good, right? The faces he's making. Those, I'm pretty sure, are also from the Philippines. Those are really good. Ingredients: mangoes, tamarind, cane sugar, sodium, and confectioner sugar. So fresh mango and tamarind.
Yeah,
Now, this
those
must
are
be what tamarind is. They are very yummy. And special custom Vineyard Chicks shirts that Dave specially requested, and they sent one. They sent one, but it was too little for Dave. It was too little for Mr. Dave. So I got it. Here's one for Meemaw. Look how cute. And I guess they are giving some of these black ones away for their giveaways.
What? Nobody wants them?
Well, no, they ordered a few extras. They don't sell their shirts.
Oh, I
Well, they do now. They do have actually a store now where they sell their gray shirts. But I don't think they sell these ones. These were special custom made, but they had a few extras that they had ordered. Maybe they get a deal if they order so many at one time.
Not my room.
It's not his room. My room. But yeah, so then we got t-shirts. Thank you, Vineyard Chicks. You guys are so sweet to us. There's one for David. Vineyard Chicks, my favorite chicks. Look, honey.
Yeah.
It's your special black shirt.
You gotta wash it.
Yeah, I'll wash them both before I let them wear them, because otherwise they'll cry. Can't have that. Don't cry babies.
I always wash them before I wear them.
I know. It's better that way. Well, that's it. What do we got here? We have blueberry grape, strawberry grape, cherry grape, and black raspberry grape. And they're all just from this year, like July, like they just made them. July 19th, July 21st, July 13th. So, are you excited?
Yeah, can you tell?
Do you want to dip a cookie in one?
You're not gonna open that. You already got stuff in the thing that's open.
Okay. Can't open them yet.
Well, the thing is, you're gonna open it just like everything else you and your mom do. It sits there for weeks, and then it's pretty said, "Oh, God, oh, here, take it, Dave. I can't look at it. I can't smell it. It's got fuzzy things on it." Yeah, that's how you guys are.
I don't like fuzzies. Okay, I gotta finish the jam. I still have some of Miss Lisa's jam. I actually just had some the other day. Some more of that jalapeno pineapple. I had it on my toast yesterday. It was delicious. But I still have half a jar of that and half a jar of, what was the other one? Prickly pear?
I have no
I
idea.
think prickly pear is the other one that's in there. But anyway, that is quite the delicious haul, sweet people. And we are really appreciative. Say thank you, honey.
What's that mean?
That's my Kaspersky password manager, honey.
Oh,
It doesn't mean anything. It means I haven't signed into my password manager yet.
oh, somebody can get into your computer
No,
now.
they can't get into any of my passwords
Oh,
because I haven't opened up my
okay.
password locker.
All right.
All right, so say thank you
Thank you very much, kids,
and
mom and dad.
go and say thank you for the people for coming and joining us and watching us open our mail.
That baffles me that they have nothing else to do but come watch us. Come on, really? I get any comments back on that one?
He appreciates you because you keep me busy and out of his hair.
There you go.
That's what he loves the most about my YouTube channel.
Yep.
It keeps me from bothering him too much.
That's just like when we first got together. She bought me an Xbox.
I did.
So
I did, so that he wouldn't mind me being on the computer all the time.
now I still have an Xbox.
He does. He still has an Xbox. I think I bought it for him. Yeah, I gave it to you for Christmas one year.
You
2
bought
years
all
ago.
of
I
what?
bought all of his
I
Xboxes.
was gonna say you brought that one home.
I bought him new TVs too to go with his Xboxes. And he has never complained about my computer addiction.
Never happened. Unless he takes my Xbox away.
Unless I take the Xbox away. We're all good.
Mhm.
All right. Thanks for coming and hanging out with us, guys. I appreciate you. And we'll see you soon. Bye now.